In this question, we have to find reaction of SO3 is easier in. Now, SO3 takes place via electrophilic substitution reaction, and rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution depend on electron density on benzene ring. With increasing electron density on benzene ring, rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution increases. Now, if we compare benzene, toluene, nitro and nitrobenzene. Now benzene is not having any electron donating or withdrawing group, so benzene may be taken as reference. Now toluene is having CH3 group. Now this CH3 group is having plus I and plus H effect, so it is overall electron donating, and it will increase electron density on benzene ring, so it will be activating. Now NO2 group is present, it will have minus I and minus M effect, so it will be overall withdrawing and deactivating benzene nucleus. Now maximum electron density is present in toluene, so toluene will be most reactive, then benzene, and nitrobenzene will be least reactive, and hence correct answer is B, toluene. In this question we have to find when benzene react with fuming sulfuric acid, then product form is. Now benzene is having 6 pi electron, having 3 pair of electron. On reacting with fuming H2SO4 or oleum, then it will produce benzene sulfonic acid as a product. In this reaction, H2SO4 undergoes autoprotolysis and it will form SO3. Now this SO3 act as electrophile, which act as electrophile on benzene ring. Now aromaticity of molecule is destroyed. In last step, hydrogen proton is released and benzene gets converted to benzene sulfonic acid. Hydrogen migrate to SO3 negative ion, so benzene sulfonic acid is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find appropriate condition for sulfonation of benzene. Now benzene on reacting with H2SO4 produce benzene sulfonic acid. In this reaction, SO3 act as electrophile. Now this reaction takes place at lower temperature, because with increasing temperature reaction become reversible, and with increasing temperature desulfonation reaction takes place and it will again converted to benzene and SO3. So if dilute and hot is taken, then reaction will not feasible. This reaction takes place when with low temperature, so dilute sulfuric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid with cold. Hot end concentration, if temperature is high, then sulfonation will not take place, because at higher temperature desulfonation reaction takes place. If H2SO4 is mixed with HNO3, then instead of sulfonation, nitration reaction will take place, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which of the following is correct sequence for sulfonation of benzene. Now if we consider mechanism of sulfonation, now benzene act as nucleophile, and during sulfonation SO3, which is generated due to autoprotolysis of H2SO4, now this SO3 act as electrophile. Now benzene will donate pair of electron, so benzene will act as nucleophile, and SO3 act as electrophile. Aromaticity of the molecule gets destroyed and it will be converted to, simultaneously pi electrons are shifted, it is converted to SO3 O negative. Now SO3 negative act as a base. This carbocation is resonance stabilized. In last step, SO3 minus abstract hydrogen and aromaticity of molecule is regenerated and it is converted to benzene sulfonic acid. Now in this step, first step is slow, but second step is comparatively slower. Second step is slower than first step and hence second step become rate determining step. Now in rate determining step, breaking of carbon hydrogen bond is involved. Now carbon hydrogen, carbon deuterium and in carbon tritium bond is stronger than carbon deuterium than carbon hydrogen. So carbon tritium bond is strongest and carbon hydrogen bond is weakest. With increasing atomic weight, strength of carbon hydrogen, carbon deuterium, carbon tritium bond become stronger. Now carbon tritium bond is strongest and carbon hydrogen bond is weakest. With increasing bond strength, migration of hydrogen become more difficult. Hence reaction will be fastest in the case of hydrogen and reaction will be slowest when tritium is attached, and hence rate of reaction, rate constant is maximum for C6H6, then C6D6 and then C6T6, and hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find which of the following compound will undergo sulfonation at fastest rate. Now, sulfonation reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction, and rate of electrophilic substitution reaction depend on electron density on benzene ring. Higher is the electron density on benzene ring, higher is the rate of reaction. Now, electron density on benzene ring depend on electron donating group. Higher the number of electron donating group, higher will be electron density on benzene ring and hence higher will be reactivity. Similarly, if electron withdrawing groups are present, they withdraw electrons from ring and decrease electron density on ring and hence decreases rate of reaction. So now plus M, plus H and plus I effect increases electron density on ring, while minus M, minus H and minus I decreases electron density on ring. Now all these are having hyperconjugation inductive effect. Now if we consider option A, now this molecule is not having any alpha hydrogen, so only inductive effect is present, 0 alpha hydrogen. Now in second case, molecule is having 3 alpha hydrogen. In second case, CH2, CH3. Now this molecule is having 2 alpha hydrogen. And in fourth case, now this molecule is having only 1 alpha hydrogen. Higher the number of alpha hydrogen, higher is the hyperconjugative structure and hence higher will be plus H effect and electron density on ring. Now in case of B, 3 alpha hydrogen are present, so maximum hyperconjugation is present in case of B, then C, then D and A, and hence B will be most reactive and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find which of the following is most reactive towards sulfonation. Now rate of sulfonation reaction depend on electron density on benzene ring, now if we take first example, metazylene, in this molecule both CH3 groups are present at meta position of each other. Next is orthozylene, so these CH3 are present at ortho position to each other. In third case, one CH3 group is present. In case of para-xylene, two CH3 groups are present at para position of each other. Now, in first case, CH3 is, both CH3 are ortho para directing. So this CH3 with electron density, increase electron density at its ortho and para position. So all these position. Now this CH3 will also increase electron density at its ortho and para position. Now these are ortho and para position of second CH3. So both CH3 increases electron density on same carbon. Now in option B, this CH3 group increase electron density at its ortho position and para position. Now this ortho position is already blocked because another CH3 is present. Now if we consider this CH3, now this CH3 will increase electron density at this position, So both CH3 are not increasing electron density on same carbon. In third option, only one CH3 is present, so electron density at its ortho and para position will be due to one CH3 group. In option 4, this CH3 with electron density will increase electron density on these two carbons, while this CH3 will increase electron density on these carbon. So in first case, both CH3 group increases electron density on same carbon, so meta-xylene will be most reactive, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find when para-amino sulfonic acid is treated with excess of bromine, the product form is. Now para-amino sulfonic acid is this molecule which is having both NH2 group and SO3H group. When it is treated with excess of bromine, now bromine will act as electrophile and NH2 is electron donating while SO3H is electron withdrawing group. So directing behavior of NH2 is observed. Now Vr will be attached at ortho and para position of amine. Amine will decide directing behavior of the molecule. Now SO3H group is very good leaving group. It can be easily removed from a molecule, so we will get a tri-substituted product. SO3H is good leaving group, so it will be replaced by Br, and tribromo aniline will be formed as a product. Now desulfonation of SO3H takes place in this reaction, and hence tribromo product is obtained, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find in which of the following rate of reaction of SO3 is easier. Now rate of SO3 reaction depend on electron density on ring. Here is the electron density on ring, here is the rate of reaction. Now if benzene is taken, benzene is neither having any electron donating group nor any electron withdrawing group, so benzene may be taken as reference. Now in second case, when toluene is taken, toluene is having CH3 group, and this CH3 group will increase electron density due to plus I and plus H effect, so increases rate of reaction. Now in third case, when NO2 group is present, now this NO2 is having very strong minus I and very strong minus M effect, and it will decrease electron density on benzene nucleus. Now in fourth case, in presence of chlorobenzene, when Cl is present, now it will having minus I effect and plus M effect, but in case of halogen, inductive effect is stronger than mesomeric effect, so it will be overall electron withdrawing. Now in second case, CH3 is present which is activating In second case, third case, NO2 is present, which is strong deactivating. In fourth case, Cl is present, which is weak deactivating. So most reactive for sulfonation among the given compound is toluene. So B is most reactive, then A, then D, and C is least reactive, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find in which of the following case isopropyl benzene cannot be prepared. Now in first case, when benzene is treated with alkene in presence of H2SO4, now first alkene react with H2SO4 in acidic medium to form isopropyl carbocation. Now this isopropyl carbocation will act as electrophile. On reacting with benzene molecule, it will form isopropyl benzene, which is also known as cumene. So isopropyl benzene is formed as a final product in case 1. Now in case B, when benzene is treated with isopropyl chloride in presence of H2SO4, then isopropyl chloride will not react with H2SO4 to form carbocation, and hence in this case Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction will not take place. So no reaction is feasible in this case. So in this case isopropyl benzene cannot be prepared. In option C, when benzene is treated with isopropyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, now AlCl3 is Lewis acid, it will abstract Cl to form isopropyl carbocation, and once isopropyl carbocation is formed, it will react with benzene to form isopropyl benzene. So in this reaction isopropyl benzene can be prepared. In option D, first AlCl3 abstracts Cl to form carbocation. Now this is 1 degree carbocation which can be rearranged to propyl isopropyl carbocation. Now this carbocation will combine with benzene to form cumene or isopropyl benzene. So in fourth case isopropyl benzene can be prepared, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, two statements are given. We have to identify which of the following option is correct for the given statements. Now considering statement 1, benzene on reacting with H2SO4 give benzene sulfonic acid. Yes, this statement is correct. When benzene is treated with H2SO4, it will give benzene sulfonic acid. Now this reaction is reversible in nature, so when benzene sulfonic acid is heated, it will be converted again into benzene. So when heated with superheated steam under pressure, it gives benzene. Yes, this is correct. And sulfonation is reversible reaction, this is also correct. Both statements are correct, and second statement is correct explanation of statement 1, and hence option A is correct. In this question we have to find in which of the following reaction phenol is not obtained. So when benzene sulfonate ion is treated with NaOH, first it will be converted to phenoxide, sodium phenoxide, and sodium phenoxide on treatment with acidic water will give finally phenol. So phenol will be formed in option A, while when benzoic acid is treated with NaOH in presence of calcium oxide, now decarboxylation reaction takes place, and due to decarboxylation reaction it will give benzene. So in second case phenol is not formed, and hence correct answer is B. Now if we take other option, if OMGBr, which is basically salt of phenoxide ion, on treating with water it will give H positive ion, and water is source of H positive, so it will form phenol. Along with phenol, MgBrOH is formed. When aniline is treated with NaNO2HCl, then NO positive is formed as a electrophile. Now this will react with NH2 and convert aniline into benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed. Now this benzene diazonium chloride, on treating with water at higher temperature, it will decompose and it will form phenol as a final product. So phenol is formed in option D. So A, C and D, they all will form phenol, while in case of B, benzene is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is B. In this reaction we have to identify intermediate formed during sulfonation reaction of benzene. So now in this reaction, benzene acts as nucleophile, and when H2SO4 is taken, it will produce SO3, which act as neutral electrophile. Now benzene acts as nucleophile, and benzene will donate pair of electron. Now benzene acts as nucleophile, and after donating pair of electron, it will form carbocation. So SO3 negative carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation is resonance stabilized, so positive charge is delocalized in all the ring. So a resonance hybrid can be written, in which hydrogen and SO3 negative both are attached on same carbon, and positive charge is delocalized on ring. In last step, now SO3 negative ion act as base and abstract hydrogen proton, and it will regenerate aromaticity. So benzene sulfonic acid is formed, along with regeneration of aromaticity. So intermediate formed during the reaction is similar to option given in B, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find how benzyl chloride can be prepared from toluene. Now this is toluene molecule, which is having both aliphatic part and aromatic part. Now when this molecule is treated with SO2Cl2 in presence of sunlight, now free radical substitution reaction takes place, and benzyl chloride is formed as a product, along with formation of HCl and SO2, and hence correct answer is option A. In this question we have to find which of the following reactant give monosulfonation product. Now if we take first example, now this molecule on sulfonation will form total four product. Number one, if Cl is SO3 is attached at this position, then one product is formed. Now SO3 is added at this position, SO3H, then second product, third and fourth. So total four products are formed in this case. In second case, one product is formed when SO3H is attached this position. From this position, second, third and fourth. So total four different products are formed. When paraxylene is taken, if SO3H is added at any of these positions, we will get identical product, and hence only one monosulfonation product is formed in first case, in third case, and hence correct answer is C. In this question on monosulfonation, we can get this product 2, 3 and total 4 products may formed. So except in option C, all other compound on monosulfonation give more than one product. Only one product is formed in option C. In this question, we have to find major product of the given reaction. Now this molecule is having OH, which is having pair of electron. Now OH act as nucleophile, H2SO4 act as source of H positive. So H2SO4 act as acid, alcohol, donate pair of electron, and oxonium ion salt is formed. So CH2, OH2 positive. Now this molecule will release water molecule to form carbocation, which is having 5-membered ring. Now in this molecule there is possibility of ring expansion. So after ring expansion it will be converted to 6-membered ring. So after ring expansion there is possibility of ring expansion. It will be converted to 6-membered ring, and 6-membered ring can be written like this. Now hydrogen ion will be removed from its beta position. So 6-membered ring will be formed. Cyclohexene is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is 3. In this question we have to find in which of the following benzene is not formed. When benzoic acid is heated with NaOH in presence of calcium oxide, now decarboxylation reaction takes place, and after reaction carbon dioxide is released and benzene is formed. So in this case benzene is formed as a final product. When phenol is heated with zinc in presence of at high temperature, now phenol on reacting with zinc will be converted to zinc oxide, and phenol will be reduced to benzene. When benzoic acid is heated, then ipso substitution takes place, and after desulfonation reaction benzene sulfonic acid will be converted to benzene. But in fourth case, when benzonitrile is treated with dilute H2SO4, now cyanide group on reacting with dilute H2SO4 will be hydrolyzed to produce benzoic acid as a final product. So in 1, 2 and 3 benzene is formed as a final product, while in 4 benzoic acid is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is 4.